This video will show you how to fix "we can't find your camera" in Windows 11. I'm going to show you some fixes, one of them should work for you. So the first thing we need to make sure is that your camera is turned on. Now if you've got a shutter which looks something like this, you need to make sure that it is swiped to the right so the webcam is open and it can be used. Once you've done that, I want you to also look for your keyboard, and then on the top line of the keyboard you may have a webcam button. If you do, you can click this and make sure that it is turned on. Now if you don't have either of these things, don't worry, we'll go ahead and enable it in settings. So what you first need to do is go to search and just open up the camera app. So search for camera and click on it. Then you can go to settings in the top left hand corner, then click on camera settings. Then click open camera system settings and then click yes to any pop-up. This will open up cameras. Now here if it says no cameras are found, we can go ahead and look at the disabled cameras which might be down here. So I have an integrated webcam which I can go ahead and enable. Once I've done that, it may start working again. The next thing you need to do is click on your start menu, then go to settings, then go to privacy and security, then scroll down here and look for your camera. Click on your camera and just make sure that camera access is enabled. Also make sure you've got the application that you're trying to use here and make sure it's turned on for that app. So if you want to use the camera app, you need to make sure it's turned on. You can also go down to camera device settings and click on that, and it will take you back here where you can go ahead and enable your webcam if it's disabled. Here you can see when I click on my webcam it is actually working. The next thing that you can do, you can go to start menu, go to settings again, then go to apps, then installed apps, and then you want to search here for camera, or you may see it here. Go ahead and click on the three dots next to it, click advanced options, and here you can just make sure app permissions are all turned on, and if it isn't working you can go down to reset and then click repair. Click on repair and that may work. If not, the last thing you can do is go to search and go to device manager. So type in device manager, and then you need to look for camera. If it isn't there, go to view and show hidden devices. Once you've got it, open this drop down menu, and then you need to find your integrated webcam. You may have a couple of them, but you can go ahead and double click on them. Then go to driver, and you can then click update driver. You can then search automatically for the driver, or if you have a plug-in webcam which isn't working, you may need to go and download the driver for it, which you can then locate manually on your computer. Apart from that, you can go ahead and disable the device and then re-enable it, and you then may see it starts to work. After you've done all of that, go ahead and restart your computer. If it still isn't working, there may be a problem with the webcam.